What's up, y'all? It's me, Aubrey. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Before we even get started in this vlog, I just want to say big shout out to y'all because on my last vlog I said that my goal was to get to 200 subscribers and y'all made it happen within one video. Yeah, I am starting this vlog on a Thursday afternoon, baby. I just went ahead and got dressed, got my stuff together because I'm actually going to leave the house and do work for a little bit just so I can be in another environment. I should have been left. But before I do leave, I need to pack and order. So the agenda for today is to pack my order, take it to the post office, find a place to post up and do some work, knock out some work for 2 hours because y'all do know I do have a full-time job too. I'm actually about to record a TikTok real quick, so I can't really show y'all too much behind the scenes, but all of my smaller orders, they get a little bag like this, and then I put them in wrapping paper, of course. Yeah, in addition to the actual item, they typically get just a small sticker, my business card, because of course we want to, constantly promote. And then I have this little product guide, and it basically shows you how to use the product. And there's always this little scratch code because you can scratch it and get a little discount.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
So yeah, now that we have the order packed, I actually have to go in the system and print the label. And this is why I keep saying, y'all, I don't want to move out of my apartment because it's I just moved here, it's cool, whatever. But I need more space. Got this cute scale, I just weigh it, bust it down, weigh it, whatever.
I wanna start it, out of bed. Now you want to shoot it, out of bed. You know I like when you
Everything that I set up like that is just going to be messy for now until I get back later because I really don't have time.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs.
Is the end of the day. I had to end it by going to get some of my favorite food at the moment, which is some Ethiopian food, and it was good. So I'm about to take a shower, get this makeup off, and relax. And I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. What is up, everybody? Happy Friday. Thank God it is Friday. As y'all can see, I look crusty and dusty because I woke up this morning and I got straight to work, baby. I do get off early. I get off at 1 o'clock on Fridays, and baby, it is 1:23. So that laptop is closed. This is my work laptop. But because it is the beginning of the month, then I do like to just sit down and do some personal planning. What I do, I try to do this every year. I've been doing this for the past few years, but I create a comprehensive list of all my goals that I want to accomplish for the year. Now, some of these goals are very lofty and some of these goals are really easy, but every month I go in and I track my progress towards making those goals. I write out all the goals, and then I have this little progress column right here that basically tracks the progress towards those goals. So as you can see, I'm making some progress with just within January. And we got right here, baby, to grow that YouTube to 1,000 subscribers. So I was able to put in some of the progress that I made towards that goal. And these things kind of update automatically based on some numbers that I put in on the back end. But the overarching goal for the year is to grow this into a beautiful flower. How do we do that? How do we grow it into a beautiful flower? Well, you just accomplish the goal. So every time I put a check mark when the goal is completely finished, then the flower grows on the other side. The goal for the year is to get a little daisy. I'm on my healthy kick today. Ow. It's Saturday, so we about to start the day off with the gym. Before we get into the gym, I need to make a smoothie and a juice for post-gym. What's up, y'all? So I'm back from the gym. I didn't do a really long workout because I am going to go for like a little walk later, but I have my cabbage juice that I'm about to sip on right now. And I know sometimes like I'm just always doing stuff without taking a pause to really talk about like why I'm doing it. And it's really just because like this is my lifestyle, so I'm used to just like, you know, making juices thinking that everybody knows. But cabbage juice has a lot of antioxidants. It's very hydrating. It has a high water content, but it just helps overall to just like cleanse your body. And then I also added apples to this because, as you know, apples are also high in fiber, which means that they have a cleansing property as well as, you know, the doctor always say an apple a day keeps the doctors away. I'm being healthy right now, but it is Saturday, so I do want to make that little viral Flying Dutchman sandwich on the onions. I actually really like grilled onions, so I'm excited to just put that together tonight. This is a bamboo toilet stool. And you know how when you sit on the toilet, like your feet dangle a little bit, or you feel like you gotta like come up a little bit just so you can get a good angle? This stool is supposed to help with that. But I got this for a Yanni steam seat. And y'all, I really been wanting a Yanni steam stool because I've been doing my Yanni steams, vaginal steams, for those who don't know, since about 2016. And I've just been doing the old school way, which is like basically kneeling over it, not kneeling on all fours, but like kneeling over like that. And I want a Yanni steam stool, but they cost like $200, and I feel like if I'm gonna pay that amount of money, like I want something that I really like, something that's like customizable, whatever. So I just got this for now, and now like this is gonna be perfect leverage. I mean, it's not, you know, the booty kind of hangs off the back, but for the money and what I'm just trying to do for my Yanni steam, I think that this is perfect. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works. I'm excited to have this. I might also still use this for the bathroom too. If you ever wondering like what this is in my background, this is a yoga wheel, and I got this with my insurance too. So it's a lot of things that you can buy for with your insurance. After the workout, just ooh, my back popped. Just get on it and you roll. And then you can practice, you know, different yoga moves here. Release a lot of the tension from the back.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less.
So y'all, we just left the herb shop and I got my little stuff. And I had plans on taking the long way home just so I can get some extra exercise. But I'm actually tired and I just feel like crusty and dusty. And I'm hungry. So all that to say, I'm about to go get on the train. What's up, y'all? It's currently 7:22. Yeah, so I took a shower and relaxed for a few hours, and now I'm about to make that little trendy onion burger situation, but we're gonna make it vegan style. Also, raw vegan is done. It's February. I gave it my all. It wasn't my best season of raw vegan, but I did end up losing 6 pounds. My skin healed up tremendously. Like, I really think it's like the bread and the rice with me. Like, I just can't eat it. It makes me very itchy. I'm still on my go to the gym health tip, and that's another reason why I'm making this onion burger, because yeah, I want to eat no bread. Do I look like I slimmed up? I still got a little gut, but I got my little burger situation. I probably could have cooked my onion for a little bit longer, but I am hungry and I ain't got time for all that. Situation, this is all plant-based. I put the little sauce on there. Got a little side salad. And then for my drink, can y'all see how it's like purple? It's butterfly PT, which is great for like a Saturday night because it just makes you really like goofy and calm. And yeah, happy Sunday. It is like 4 o'clock and I'm really just getting started with my day. This is my Sunday reset list, and I already did the first thing, which was run my errands for my household stuff. My camera died, but I got these little containers, which I know they probably at least $10, but they were at Target for $5, and I'll probably put my vinegar in here and maybe some other type of cleaning solution. But yeah, I got this Natron body soap. This is the brand that I use. My skin is so sensitive, so I just have to get a brand that works for me and stick with it. And of course, we're deep cleaning today because it's Sunday. So I had to, I was about to give it to y'all to smell. So I had to get a candle. I love Miss Meyer's Clean Day candles, and I have their cleaning spray. Like, it's just a smell that I can't really compare to anything else, but it just smells so clean. Just what's up, y'all? So it's about 6:04 and I'm pretty much done with cleaning, but we on the finishing touches, which is mopping the floor. It is Sunday reset day, and on Sundays we do set our intentions, so I just wanted to give y'all this little trick. Mopping with essential oils like sage and peppermint, or even adding like fresh herbs or whatever to your mop water, does allow you to kind of set the intentions and the energy for your space. So of course everybody knows that sage is for like clearing. It is Sunday, I do want to clear out some of the old stagnant energy for the week, make sure that I'm energized. And then peppermint is very uplifting, so of course, you know, I just want to uplift the space. Y'all, we have a clean place. It's clean in here, and when I tell y'all, it smells immaculate. I love Sunday reset day just to be able to like really deep clean. And of course we got to finish it up with my sunshine room refresher, tidied up my balcony, put my lights on. My little plan is dead. Guys, we about to close out this vlog, and before I close it out, I know y'all see me looking rough, so it's about to be self-care time. So I'm just about to turn on some tunes and we can wrap this video up with some little me time. When I make me float